Okay guys, next up that we're going to learn is called Adios con la Hermana. First what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate it for you, and then we're going to break it down by the numbers. Watch us first. Wapea. And forward 2, 3. Back 2, 3. Forward 2, 3. Adios con la Hermana. Se fue. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Picarante 2, 3. And dile que no. Back 2 and stop. Now what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate it by the numbers. Okay? First 3 counts are going to be an adios. That's all it's going to be, guys and girls. Guys are going to go back with their left and do your regular adios. Girls, go back with your right and do your regular adios. Ready? At 1, 2, and 3. Now what we're going to do is guys are going to go back with their right and turn so that their back is facing the inside of the circle. Girls, what you're going to do is walk 3 counts, starting with your left foot, and walk all the way around the guy so that you're facing the center of the circle. Watch Jeanette and I. At 1, 2, and 3. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to open up here so you guys can see. Girls are going to go back with their right foot. Guys, go back with their left and do a regular enchufle. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7. Now what we're going to do, girls, is open up and we're going to enchufle with our left foot. Guys, go back with your right foot. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and dile que no. Back 2, 3, forward 2, and stop.